Hello students, take out your science textbook and turn to page number 14. So, today we will be studying the remaining topics of chapter number 2, components of food. So, let's start. Okay. So, the first topic is protein. What is protein? Protein are basically body building nutrients. They build our body and it also helps to repair any damages in the body. Protein has a very important place in our body because it helps us to grow and stay strong. Proteins are basically made up of amino acids. And what are amino acids? Amino acids are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus. So we the first basic item that provides us protein is meat. Okay, we get protein from meat, eggs, fish, seeds and dried fruits. But there is also another item that provide us second class of protein, that is plants. Plant is called the second class because they do not contain all the amino acids. Okay, now we will be discussing the vitamins and minerals. So, vitamin and minerals are also an important part of our body. It is required for the proper functioning of the body, but it is required in very small amount. If we do not get all the nutrients, our body can have many deficiency diseases. Okay, now we will discuss the remaining topics in our next video. Thank you, children. Today we will be discussing the remaining topics of chapter number 2, components of food. So turn to page number 16 and let's get started. So our first topic is fiber. So let's discuss about it. What is fiber? Fiber is basically, it's also a component in our food, but it is indigestible, and it is a little bit bulky, and it lets everything in our body gets moving. It basically it transport food in the body. It also prevents constipation. We can get fiber from fruits and vegetables. Now let's discuss about water. What is water? Water does not provide any energy, but it is a very important nutrient because it plays a very important role in the body system. It helps in the digestive system, it helps to break down the food, remove waste from the body, and helps the body to stay cool by sweating. Water make up almost 70% of our body weight. If a person loses a lot of water, our body becomes weak and our blood becomes thicker. This causes severe pain and cramps in our muscles. So now let's discuss about what is deficiency diseases. I will tell you a little bit about deficiency diseases and we will carry on the topics or remaining topics in our next video. What is deficiency disease? डिफिशेंसी बेसिकली मीन्स कोई भी कमी हमारी बॉडी में हो जाना, जिसकी वजह से कमी की वजह से डिजीज़ हो जाती है हमें. Our body need a balanced diet to carry on with its function. No food contains all the nutrients. We need a balance and combination of different food to meet our body daily needs. That combination of different food is called balanced diet. If we do not properly eat, we will have different diseases. So now we will carry on with the remaining topics in the next video. Thank you, children.